Dominion Energy has agreed to add customer protections for its offshore wind energy project. And this agreement clears the way for the biggest project of its kind in the country and is expected to power hundreds of thousands of Virginia homes. 8 News reporter Allie Barefoot is live in Richmond this morning. So Allie, how will this impact customers?
Well, Delaney, officials are saying this move can take the burden off customers and protect them by limiting the project's spending in major ways. First, it sets a hard limit on the amount of costs. Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares says if the project underperforms, the company would rather pay than put the burden on customers. Second, Dominion agreed to abide by performance standards. If production drops below a certain point and the SCC finds it was because of unreasonable actions, Dominion will shoulder the costs. Also, if Dominion Energy gets any money for the project from Biden's major spending bill, they'll have to credit it against overall construction costs, which means they would reduce power bills. If you would like to learn more about this agreement, you can read more in this story at WRAC.com. For now, live in Richmond, Allie Barefoot, 8 News.